Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make money as a stay-at-home mom or a student, or if you're looking for extra sources of income. First thing I need to let you guys know is in today's video I'm just going to break it down, and help you navigate the world of business. So first thing I would advise you to do is to form a business. So either as a sole proprietor. See, if you don't have a lot of assets, then sole proprietor is easier and cheaper. Yes, but beyond that, one good camera, yes, you can buy a used camera, and guess what, you can start making money from home. And the next thing you should do is to probably buy, pay for Photoshop or Lightroom. Is like $15 a month, and you can use Facebook and social media to start. If you're good, you will book. Then you can use your income to invest back into your business. Yes, for web hosting, for more equipment, you can build a website and stuff like that. You don't even need lights unless you do that. Guess what, you can start as a natural light photographer. Yes, so and you know what, you can use YouTube to learn posing. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. You can look into this and become a photographer in your local area, and you can use Nextdoor to get your first set of clients. If you don't know what Nextdoor is, I'm going to share with you in the end of today's video. By the way, I have a giveaway, so stick around till the end of today's video. Next thing here on my list is for you to become a freelance translators. Guys, there are websites that help you to get gigs as a freelance translators. I always advise newbies to find intermediaries with an them. They give you a certain level of assurance that you will get paid. And guys, it's a milestone feature and it's super convenient. Even an app for hourly payments, if that's how you prefer to work. And you are free to leave the website and work after 2 years. Yes. And one other thing, directly to translate only websites, and after the ads there's no escrow system involved, like Pros and Translation Directory and others. These are translation websites that you can look into. So go to pros.com, you can go to translationdirectory.com and see how there are lots of gigs that you can get from there. Now you can use Facebook groups for translators as well. Yes, you can use Pros, very reliable. It's actually one of the most reliable agencies are listed and rated, and you know who is probably trusted. And that's how you're going to get new clients. Just replying to ads when it's a slower period. And guess what, you can get a lot of gigs in terms of workload, the workload and the pay. Guys, you need to just keep up for these gigs. Keep in mind, most of them will add you to database, and yes, have to reach out to them to remind them of what you started and what the offers, the value that you want to offer them, and the value you want to communicate, you want to offer them. You can also start with relatively competitive rates, just so you can get your first set of clients. Sometimes I'd be surprised. Sometimes especially on influencer webs, where they offer very low gigs to get in and then you can now go for the bigger box. Yes, at the beginning in a certain field, for me, you can choose to go deeper when it comes to finance, marketing, and yes, maybe due to what you studied in school, due to your education, you can be familiar with the terminology. So avoid jargons that you don't even know. You've never done coding before. You can't just go there and select coding. So be very, very mindful. Do something that you have strengths, you're able to harness your own inbuilt skills on. So as for clients, Google them up on blacklists wherever you can, and accept only smaller projects in the beginning. And as soon as you get paid, you can try to build from there. Yes. You'll be able to tell with experience. You'll be able to tell if you meet time wasters. There's some people who are not able. If you can, no, I'm not gonna say this one. Come on, Shamije. What was I gonna tell them about? Okay, so when it comes to So when it comes to getting gigs online, I think I mentioned Nextdoor, how to use Nextdoor to get your first set of clients. What you need to do is greet them. Hello, beautiful neighbors. Qualify them with an adjective. Hi, beautiful neighbors, and then give them a very inspirational quote. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first that you are amazing. And then go ahead and communicate your values. My name is X and Y. I provide X and Y services. I'm located in this region or this city. If you need my services, here is how you can contact me. I do X and Y and Z. You can find me on X and Y and Z. If you have an Instagram page or you have social media, you can share with them. And yes, and tell them how they can reach you. You can send me an email, you can send me a DM, or you can reach me through my phone number if you don't mind. You can share that with them, and before you know it, you're getting your first client. So please use Nextdoor to your advantage, and it is free of charge. Don't run ads on Nextdoor. I had a very terrible experience when I ran waste of money. Resource worth than when I posted. So when you post consistently, you get views for free. Yes, you can get up to 4,000 people watch in 24 hours on Nextdoor. So yes, go ahead and take advantage of that and be on your way to making good money. So guys, that is all about it for today. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel in case you have not. Introduce yourself. If you are new here, I want to know you and me too. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning Patreon member, thank you. If you want to join my Patreon membership, you can find the link in the description and the comments. You can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. So guys, that is it for today. If you want, yes, I have a free giveaway loading $100 cash gifts. Yes, I'm going to send the cash to you anywhere in the world. Here is how to enter for it. I've recently launched my Telegram channel. So go ahead and add 50 of your friends into the group. Touch groups, your friends, your colleagues in school, your colleagues at work, your cousins, besties, your village members, your enemies, and it's gonna be make money online group where I share with you latest updates, and of course I'll end the Telegram. So go ahead and share the Telegram group with your friends and members. And yes, guys, go ahead and join the Telegram community. And of course, I will see you in in case no one has told you today. Why is she shouting now? Ifeta, is everything okay? So guys, that is all about it for now. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll single one of you. And that is today. See you in my next clip. Bye for now.